Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a super deep clean, declutter, and organize of my living room down to even washing the couch. Make sure to stay tuned if you need your organization, decluttering, and deep cleaning motivation. This video is also going to be a collaboration with my friend Amanda from This Crazy Life. She has an amazing channel. She shares cleaning videos, vlogs, home decor. Also, she's doing a whole decluttering series on her channel, and she's a mama of 3 boys. Make sure you check out her video when you're done watching mine. She's also going to be decluttering and cleaning her living room as well as her office, and I will have her video linked below in the description box. Make sure to tell her that Tiffany sent you, and if you're coming over from Amanda's channel, welcome. I absolutely love my soft and cozy couch. However, I do not love how dirty it gets. It gets dirty so easily from juice spills and things like that, and it's not the easiest couch to clean. So I probably do this to my couch about twice a year. So I'm unstuffing all of the back pillows, and then I'm going to take the covers off of the bottom cushions as well. Now I'm just going to go ahead and throw all of that into the washer and make sure it is nice and clean and smells amazing.
I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him sin.
Now I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum underneath of the cushions. There's lots of crumbs here and even some dog food. Now while everything is in the washer, I'm going to go ahead and start decluttering this desk area. I have a giveaway basket, which is a basket that I keep in my house, so anybody that comes over, they know they can check it and grab whatever they want out of it, as well as a donate bucket and an upstairs bucket. So I'm just taking everything out of the desk and going to organize it. The drawers weren't too bad, but up top in the cabinets, that was really a hot mess. I heard that the washer was done, so I'm going to quickly go ahead and throw all of these into the dryer so that they're ready in time to be put back on tonight. Now going back into the desk drawers and just gonna go ahead and vacuum up any little crumbs or things like that. Now I'm going to work on the cabinets. This game cabinet wasn't bad at all, so I'm just kind of tidying it up. Now for this part of the cabinets, this is where the hot mess is. I just shove coloring books, crayons, anything like that. Clearly I'm not thrilled to clean it out, but it felt so good once it was all nice and clean and organized. I am going to just take everything out of here and you will be amazed at how much stuff I was able to hoard in here.
Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay because
Can you believe that all of this stuff fit in that one single cabinet? Because I cannot. We've actually been really debating either painting this desk area white or knocking the entire thing out. What do you think I should do? Should I paint it white or should we just take it all down and just have the living room flow into the kitchen?
we never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense.
All the organizers you see in this video are from the Dollar Tree, including this paper stand. And then I love my little labels. I got this off of Amazon, my little label maker. I totally recommend having one. It just makes everything feel that much more neat. How awesome is this little organizer I got off of Amazon? My best friend recommended it to me. It's nice because you can see everything that you have. You don't need the packaging from the crayons and markers and things like that. And you can also take one little bin out at a time if you need to.
Not really sure, but my brain tells me I've been here before. Don't wanna draw any attention to all the crazy things that I shouldn't mention. Not really sure, but if you
feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, 'cause I'm afraid of what's gonna come out. Life is but a dream. This can't be happening.
I am so happy with how this turned out. It just made my head feel so much more clear. This area I just kind of tidied up, and this was just like where my craft stuff was. Now we're moving back into the laundry room to go ahead and get everything out of the dryer and put that back on to the cushions. This is a legitimate workout, putting the covers back on the cushions. It is not easy. I've actually really been debating getting couches from IKEA because they have one giant slip cover that you can just throw into the washer and dryer, and I feel like it might be a good idea with kids and animals because this really is a lot of work.
Sure who's the one making the decisions. Wake up, scream. I'm in a twisted reality.
My husband helped me stuff the cushions again. We just decided to have a little bit too much fun with this, but if you make cleaning fun, it just makes the whole experience better. And Chris is actually going to do a belly flop here. Again, this whole process really makes me want a different couch. However, I do love this couch when it is clean. It's just very hard to keep clean, and it's very annoying to clean it.
Breathe you in like oxygen. Oh, in an otherwise suffocating world.
Now the cushions are nice and clean. They look a little lumpy, but they smooth out once you kind of start sitting on the couch. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do the windows as well as the mirrors, and I'm just using the Method glass cleaner.
For the last time, wanna believe in the life I've led. I don't wanna leave another word unsaid. You know my heart will follow you in tomorrow. In tomorrow.
Now I'm just using the Method in the grapefruit scent. This is my favorite scent, and if you haven't tried it, you definitely need to try the Method grapefruit. It smells amazing, and you can get it at Target or at Grove Collaborative.
One open to an everlasting love. Exhale the past, inhale the future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind. For the last time, wanna believe in the life I've led. I don't wanna leave another word unsaid. You know my heart will follow you in tomorrow. In tomorrow.
One thing that I forget to clean are the light switches and handles, and that is so important to try to remember to clean those since they're touched so often. Now I'm just vacuuming with my second vacuum because my Dyson died. This is called, I believe it's called ProSonic. I got this on Amazon. It's also a really good vacuum. The thing that I like about this more than the Dyson is that it's a little bit more lightweight, and I like the light that it has on the front of it because it highlights any crumbs and really helps you not to miss anything. Next, I'm just going to steam mop. I love this steam mop. I've had it since our first condo, probably for like 6 years at least, and it still works like a charm, and I absolutely love it. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I really hope that it gave you some motivation to do a deep cleaning of your living room, or maybe a small declutter or organization. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram at t.beaston. Also, be sure to check out Amanda from This Crazy Life. Her videos are amazing, super motivational, and I know that you will love her.
Whenever your heart is broken,